So here tonight I made one of my favorite recipes, very easy. It's from Laurie Colwin's Home Cooking, I believe, but it is her recipe. And basically, I think she said you take two cut up chickens. I improvised with what I had. Two cut up chickens, I believe it was 6 apples, paprika, and garlic cloves, and some salt and pepper. And so you put the chicken down, sprinkle it with the paprika, salt and pepper, add the apples and the garlic cloves, and then dot it with butter, and it just turns into this delicious, delicious dish. The apples are amazing. Some of them get like really crispy like that, and the garlic does too. It just tastes perfect with the chicken. I love, love, love it. Very easy to make too. I went for a walk and kind of forgot it, so I got some issues on the side here, but oh well. And then I made up some veggies. I had a bag of shaved Brussels sprouts, I guess. And so I put a little bit of bacon grease and some onions and peppers in there, let those go for a bit. Then I added the Brussels sprouts and a little bit of olive oil because I didn't add much bacon in the beginning, or bacon fat in the beginning, and let those go. Then threw some balsamic vinegar on it, a little bit of Cajun seasoning, sprinkle of bacon, and let that go until basically the bottom almost started to crisp, or get crispy. See, it's not sticking, but that's kind of just what you're looking for. I still like a little bit of, not crunch to it, but a little bit of texture to it. I don't want it to be slimy. So I made that, and then I just did a quick potato in the microwave. So this is what my plate looks like. Super easy dinner idea. Little sour cream. Like I said, I love it. It just complements the chicken. It tastes delicious. I would have even gone heavier on the smoked paprika, but I just didn't. I don't know why. But anyway, that is what's for dinner tonight on a Thursday. Have a good evening. Peace be with you, or day, or night, whatever time it is. Yum.